Are you looking to add attendees to EverWebinar but not sure where to start? In this quick video, we'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to set up your webinar and invite your audience. Whether you're new to EverWebinar or just need a refresher, stick around for all the tips. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your EverWebinar account. Once logged in, head over to your dashboard. From there, you'll want to go to the Webinars section. This is where you'll see all your scheduled webinars, and it's where the magic happens. Next thing, once you've selected the webinar you want to add attendees to, click on the Attendees tab. This is where you'll manage everyone who's going to attend your event. You'll notice an option to either import a list of attendees or manually add them. The fourth thing you should know, EverWebinar makes it simple to add attendees manually. All you need is their name and email address. Just type those into the fields provided and click Add Attendee. You can keep adding attendees one by one like this, or if you have a larger list, we'll cover that next. Next thing, let's talk about bulk uploading. If you're working with a list of attendees, EverWebinar allows you to import them in bulk using a CSV file. It's pretty straightforward. Just prepare your CSV with columns for first name, last name, and email, then upload it directly through the interface. You'll save tons of time, especially if you have hundreds or even thousands of attendees to add. The sixth thing is attendee management. After adding them, you'll see your attendees listed with their status, whether they've registered, attended, or missed the webinar. You can also resend invitations and reminders to make sure no one misses out. Lastly, don't forget to double-check your webinar settings. You can customize registration pages, reminder emails, and even offer incentives for people to attend. If you're aiming to increase engagement, this is key. Make sure everything is set up to fit your needs, from the invitations to the confirmation emails. That's it. Adding attendees to EverWebinar is a simple process once you know where to look. Whether you're doing it manually or uploading a list, it's all about staying organized and ensuring your audience knows when to show up. Before we finish, remember, you can try EverWebinar for free from the first link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses for you. Check that out for an extended trial. This is your chance to test out all the features before committing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial through that link.